Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Education to solve technical problems. Today we are going to start the perkin phaser 4-cylinder engine. After overhauling, the overhauling is almost complete. And during the starting procedure, first you have to prime the fuel lines. We are using this old oil bottle as fuel storage, as the tank is left on site where the generator was installed. First you have to prime the fuel lines, and when the return pipe is filled with fuel, you can crank the engine. This is the positive connected with the self starter, main positive, and then we are going to jump it through the relay to start it, because the wiring of this engine is not completed yet. We are going to give it 3 or 4 starts at workshop, and then we are going to take it on site, and after assembling it with the alternator and completing the generator, we are going to start it again. It's time to load it and take it to the site. Now the engine is connected with the alternator and our generator is complete. After assembling it completely, we have to check for the leaks in the fuel lines, the water lines, and after running for 10 to 20 minutes, we will rectify all the leakage in fuel or water lines, and then we will hand over it to the customer. After overhauling, check for the stability of the voltage and RPM. There is a minor leakage of fuel. As we have installed a silencer, the sound is much better, and that was out of shocking. Thanks for watching the video.